out here. Have I got a treat for you guys?
Hey Jack, remember when it was just simple and all we did was build ponds? It's hard to remember anymore, but look at this now. What have we gotten to?
All right guys, so we are out in Hereford, Arizona, way south of where we're located, but not a big deal. And I am out here with two of my very best friends, Jaak Harju with Atlantis Watergardens and Alan Decker with DECKER'S Pondscapes. And man, oh man, life just couldn't get any better for a pond builder. We're having fun, hanging out together, and doing what we love with these guys right here behind me. Let's go take a look. What's going on?
Okay, so we moved from California, and we live near a creek, and Bill promised me when we moved here that he would find me some water. So we decided to dig a pond, and we started it by hand. It was fun. Who doesn't want to sit in the dirt and throw rocks? But he got sick and he couldn't dig anymore, so I promised him before he died that I would finish the pond. I got a thumbs up, and I didn't tell him I was going to do it myself, so these guys are here to help, and I'm really excited. It's going to be awesome.
All right, so what we're going to be doing out here is approximately a 16-foot by 20-foot, 3 feet deep pond with an intake bay, some bells and whistles. We're going to have aeration, circulation jets, and of course that beautiful waterfall. So where we are envisioning this waterfall to be set up is right about this area. So it's pointing right towards the patio, so Lee can just sit in her chair, look at the mountains, enjoy the waterfall, and of course that beautiful pond.
So step one is what we're going to do is we're going to mark out exactly what size pond Ralph had suggested here with the stream, and then that way Lee can check it out and see if this is a great positioning for her, and then we'll go from there. We're going to dig.
All right, now we are well underway. Actually, we've only been moving and grooving for about 2 hours, but what we are building here is a 17-foot by 20-foot by 3 feet deep pond. Right over there behind Alan is an intake bay. Right over here where we got our biofall set is going to be our waterfall. And right there where Jack is sitting and spinning is going to be our pond. Because this ground is so rocky, we're bringing in the sand to add an inch or so of a cushion, and you can see right there on the bottom right in front of Alan's foot where he just kicks that right in, kind of carves it up the side. That helps add that protection right down in those joints. And then when we do our rock work, we'll set the rocks a little bit back from the shelf and then backfill with gravel. Here is our rock pad. So this is a thicker underlayment, and we're going to mark this off and cut that and start getting that laid out so that big roll of liner can get installed. right, very productive day. We have got a good amount of big anchor boulders set in the bottom of the pond, and when we show up tomorrow, we'll finish connecting the dots and then backfilling. But you can see the interior of the intake is installed, ready to go. We'll tighten that up. But when that sun goes down, it gets chilly, huh?
I came here for the weather. I just didn't specify what kind of weather I wanted. This wasn't it.
Well, you got whether you like it or not weather.
That's what I got.
All right, morning number 2. So the goal today is to have the entire pond rocked in. That way we can start working on edges and get over here to the intake bay. All right, so we're about a half an hour into day 2. We're gonna have to find some way to slow Alan down. He's taking all the fun from us. Look, he's got that thing all rocked in already. All right, so we are working on the intake now. We've got it kind of framed out, and we've got a nice big area to have that natural draw. So we're gonna have some cobble work in here to give it that kind of that avalanche effect, make it look like an edge of a stream. Our pumps will be located right in here, and then we're gonna come out with our 3-inch to go to our biofall. A 2-inch line is gonna come out and tee out, and that's gonna be our circulation jets. Awesome day of progress. Let's take a walk, see where we're at, and see what needs to be done to accomplish this awesome pond out in the desert. Okay, seriously, end of day 2, 3 guys, 20 feet by 17 feet, nice big intake area. You have got a pond that is about 95% rocked in. So got to really hand it to my buddies Jack and Alan. Just killed it today. This thing is turning out amazing. We are having an awesome time with our homeowner Lee and her son Chris. Great people, lots of fun, great conversations. This is what it's all about, connecting with our customers, having a great time, sharing the experience, and providing something that is going to be life-changing. So stick around, we got much more to do.